My name is Zuna Shahzad and my group members are Anam Shakur and Ramsha Mohsin. In this experiment, we will use lasers and filters to see how various filters interact with various colors of laser light. The filter will either block, absorb the light, or it will allow to be transmitted, pass through. A filter is a transparent material that selectively absorbs certain colors of lights and transmit the remaining colors through. Okay, now we will drag and drop the various filters to a position between the laser and the screen. Then we will record our observations. If when we keep the dark red filter, only the red is passed through. When we keep the light red filter, red is passed through, green and blue are also passed through 50-50. And when we keep dark green filter, only green is passed through. When we keep light green filter, green is passed to 100% and other two are 50-50. When we keep the dark blue filter, only blue is passed. When we keep the light blue filter, red is absorbed 50%, green is also 50% and blue is 100%. When we keep the dark yellow filter, red and green are 100%. When we keep the light yellow filter, red and green 100% and blue is 50%. When we keep the dark cyan, blue and green is 100%. When we keep the light one, green and blue is 100% but red is 50%. When we keep dark magenta, red and blue is 100%. When we keep light one, red and blue is 100% but green is 50%. When light gray is there, all pass 50-50. Now we will investigate the effect upon the light from the white light bulb. The light bulb, being a white light bulb, includes all three primary colors red, green, blue mixed together. Whatever the light colors are not absorbed by the filters will be transmitted through the filter to the screen. The resulting color can be seen on the screen. First we will use two filters, then we will use three filters to get the specific colors. Dark blue and clear will give you blue color. In this only blue is transmitted 100%. Then light gray and clear will give you periwinkle. In this red, green, blue all are 50-50 passed. Then light green and clear will give you mint green color. Then dark magenta and light green will give you deep violet. 50-0-50. Red is 50, green is 0 and blue is 50. Then dark magenta and light cyan will give you a lavender color. Then you can see that dark yellow and light red will give you orange color, in which red is 100, green is 50 and blue is 0. Now we will use three filters to find specific colors. To get gray, we will use clear, light magenta and light green, where red, blue, green all are 50-50-50. For deep violet, we will use dark magenta, clear and light gray, in which red is 100, green is 0 and blue is 100. To get maroon, we will use dark red, light gray and clear, in which red is 50 and blue and green are 0-0, as people can see on the screen. Okay, to get turquoise, we will use clear filter, dark cyan and light gray, in which red is 0, green is 50 and blue is 50. To get copper, we will use dark yellow. To get copper, we will use dark yellow, light red and light blue, in which red is 50, blue is 0 and green is 25%. To get dusty rose, we will use light red, light blue and light yellow, in which red is 50, green is 25 and blue is 25. This is the end of this experiment, and from this experiment we understood different color filters.